Hi everyone. Today we're going to look at how to import Microsoft Excel into SQL Developer. By doing that, here's the path of the SQL Developer we're getting into. So this is running the path of the SQL Developer. It's going to launch it now. So let's wait for it. Alright, so this is the SQL Developer. To do such, with this plus sign, we click on it, you input your password, and this is the worksheet for the HR user. So to import the Microsoft Excel into the SQL Developer, you right click on this table, you click on import data, you click on rec because the file is in my desktop. Click on rec, that's the name of the file, open, and these are your data you have that you're trying to import into the SQL Developer. You click on new, next, then click on your table name. How do you want the table to be in the database? So let's give it rec underscore new. You go next. Now this is the column definition. This is your source data columns and target table columns. So this is showing the data type of all your data column you have here. But we need to do one or two things here because we have dash underscore product underscore. This won't, the SQL Developer won't accept it like that way. So we need to make a little bit of amendment there. Alright, so we are good to go now. You go next, then you click on verify to see if everything is being checked. You click on finish. Then it says here import data into table rec underscore new from the file rec. Task successful and import committed. You click on OK. As you can see here, table rec underscore new created. So you come there, you click on these tables, you click on this refresh, then you scroll down here to see your table you imported, which is rec underscore new. Double click on it. Then click on data here. Then as you can see, this is everything you have in that data you imported. So you can see the data you just created, you just imported in the SQL Developer. You can also see that using the terminal. To do that, you log in as HR, then you say select all from rec underscore new. Here is it. Thank you.